for the 7th leg of the South African Motocross Championship. They get away. The 125 senior class gets away. And going into the lead, straight into the lead, Kevin Corky, who at the moment is lying second in the championship. Kevin has gone into the lead. And that's Corky on number 3, going over the Champagne flyover. His main opposition today will be Gary Merchant from Natal, now living up here in the Transvaal. Nearly up to the 10-minute mark as the race gets on. They start to get tired. Those machines are getting hot. They're water-cooled. 125, all little water pumpers with water pumps, 6-speed gearboxes. Honda's got 2 radiators, one on each side of the fuel tank. They all run on methanol, which makes them run a lot cooler. Gives them a lot more power, of course. It carries more oxygen. That's Corky. Oh, and Dykeman is just swallowing it. It's like a dust storm for Dykeman. Oh, and Dykeman is just swallowing it. It's like a dust storm for Dykeman. Have a Corky here. Has Corky got any to the left? Is the last lap board out? The last lap board goes out for them. Mike Taylor gives them the last lap board. And Corky now knows what's required of him. And the Zelficock is losing a bit of ground there. And they're all waving on to Dykeman. And to Corky, number 3. Dykeman's on 1. To Suzuki versus a Honda. And he floats it right to the bottom, and so is Corky. They're not worrying about the wheels now. It's a fight to the finish. Dykeman's quick around this section of the circuit. Corky's closing on him now. You can see it. 2/3 of a lap to go round that berm he goes. He's not going to pass him if he follows him. And it's Kevin Corky from the Transvaal following the South African champion. Number 1 plate says you, the South African champion last year. You were the champion last year. The next man down the road should be David Dykeman, South African champion, the winner of the first race here this afternoon. Oh, and he's down, the Corky's down. Corky's down, his front wheel's dug in, and Dykeman's right on his tail. Right on his tail. Going into the bowl and knocking behind him. He's got nearly running onto him. There is David Dykeman. Dykeman's coming out of the bowl as well. Oopsie, Dykeman.
Daar is die agterlopers, jy kan sien hulle gaan hulle nou druk. En as Corky hier sy kop hou, dan gaan hy hierdie tweede ronde vir die 125 motorfietsen lekker wen. En kort op sy hakke. Wat 'n pragtige eindwedloop. Corky voor op sy Honda. En hier kom Jeffrey Nel en Corky wen. En Jeffrey Nel tweede. Eerste plek Kevin Corky op sy Honda. Tweede plek Jeffrey Nel.
We've all seen Kevin Corky in action, and Delmas Keken is proud to announce him to their motocross team for 1984. Kevin, who's 19 years old, comes from Mondio and has been racing ever since he got his first motorbike 4 years ago. And during this time, he's shown his expertise and riding skill, matched only by our top-class riders. He won the Junior Skateboard Championship twice, and realizing how important it is to be racing fit, Kevin continuously practices on his bikes. Next year we'll see Kevin on both the 125cc and 250cc classes, and Kawasaki Racing with Delmas Keken welcomes Kevin Corky to their team.